Welcome back to We Draw. This is Orville. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw a standard bird. So we're going to start out with the wings. The wings are going to just be two standard looking triangle type shapes and separate them somewhat evenly. And then follow those wings down kind of to a pointed tail with a fan on the end like you did for the lobster. Like so. Go ahead and draw some details on the wings. For added style, you can give us a little bit of fluff here and there with the pencil, adding some kind of feather-like 3D-ness. Just gives it a little extra dimension. Now we're going to go ahead and take it to the front half. Add a little bit of a belly, neck, and color that in if you wanted to. And then draw a circle for a head and a beak. And go ahead and draw, this is all up to you. Like I always emphasize, style is key, so you gotta make it your own. But I'm gonna add like a little bit of like a rooster deal, because I think that's pretty sweet looking. Okay, now go ahead and if you really want to get detailed here, you can draw like real eyes, like we showed you how to draw on the very first episode. So I'm going to really quickly draw those two eye shapes with the circles not completely filled in, and since they're small, we're going to not have the reflections. Okay, and last but not least, everyone knows birds have mouths, so we gotta give it a big old smile from cheek to cheek. I'm gonna draw some little cheeks in here. And there you have it. That's your standard bird, presented to you by Orville. And stay tuned for more We Draw episodes coming soon.